Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic for Lite, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode and wipe cache partition from there. So, to get started, we'll need to turn off our device by holding the power key. From here, select power off, which I missed. There we go. Now when the device is off, you will want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So both of those keys at the same time. After a moment, you should see the Honor logo on a screen, like this one. So let go of those keys after like a couple seconds of seeing this logo. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. So from here, select clear data, and then you can choose wipe cache partition. This will begin the process, which as you can see, it's already finished. So let's select back and then restart, which will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.